He cast a spell on you. Oh no. Continuing on our journey with the snake princesses.
ここは明朝。クジャの海賊団にシャボンディ諸島まで送らせ。
Yay!
向けて骨を休めておけ。
What was that look?
What was that look?
早くみんなに会いてえな。
ほんと不思議な男によ。
He did go into second gear. He needs a lot of food.
今夜の宴に参加させてやるがよい。
無事に帰ってきたことを祝う宴じゃ。
そこで飯食っていいのか。
It's a banquet, Luffy.
やったー！宴
Wait,
出るんだろ。いや。
why am I like still suspicious?
Oh, it's the look she's giving. I feel like she's gonna secretly turn him in or something.
Right?
Like some warlord agenda. Her eyes change.
Yeah.
ここまでこの男に気を許すとはにょ。
Yeah, it's suspicious.
そなたを気に入ったぞ。
Does she?
What's going on in that head?
Oh, they're gonna be like, men are so weird. How rude.
こんなに麺もいっぱいあるのに食わんのか。もうじゃあ俺がもらってもいいんだな。
Oh no. Luffy! Oh my gosh.
私たちの命の恩人。
明朝島を出るんだって。男の体って変だって噂。足もすっごく伸びるのよ。どれだけ伸びるか試してみたいわ。
What? Oh no.
へえ、ルフィ様。
アマゾンリリーの規律を忘れるな。
なぜ一時は死刑に決まった男がここにいるわけ？
もしかしたら、ヘビ姫様が仕掛けた罠なのかも。
Oh.
あの男にたらふくごちそうを食べさせておき、油断させ、隙をついて地獄に引き落とす。
その役。
That's kind of what I was thinking.
Okay. They're just assuming.
待って、様子が変よ。
ふざけんなよおめえら。
What?
いい加減にしろ。
Is he just gonna say he wants more food or what? What's gonna happen?
鍋とお玉を武器に我らと一戦交えようというんじゃ。
It's gonna be something silly. I know it.
なんで歌わねえんだよ。
They're singing. How could this be a party? Where's the music?
宴ってのはな、こうするもんだろうが。やははやはは。
Oh my god! Yeah! The perfect song!
せなみまかせあざれし。
Aww.
スイートピーの踊りより面白い。
海の限り、へいやはは。
Yeah! I love when Luffy sings. Me too.
クーだよ。クークー。
面白い。ルフィさん。
なんて品のない踊り。
Oh no! Please.
Luffy's just here for a good time. All the time.
Wow.
Amazing.
洋菓島の名物よ。ハイオール入りペンネゴルゴンゾーラ。
Ooh.
これは特別じゃない。
Why are they being creepy?
Uh-oh. Oh, okay.
ゴムみたい。はい、もう終わりよ。
Weirdos.
くずれなおい。なんだ人の体つついて。
記念に一度男に触りたいって子たちに。ほら。
There's a
They're
line.
lining up. This is hilarious.
大人気ルフィちゃん。ルフィさん。
They're...
何勝手に商売してんだよ。
いいじゃない。
Wow.
しか触るチャンスはないんだから。
Oh my gosh.
He is living Sanji's dream. I feel...
Yeah.
マーガレット
Watch Sanji had been sent to an all-man island.
Yes.
なんなんだよあいつら。隠れて。石になった時はビビったよ。
でもかばってくれたんでしょ。
Cute shirt.
ありがとうルフィ。
She is so cute.
どうしたのかしら姉様。
食事も取らず。
姉様を悩ませているのかも。
The what?
Forcing a symbol? I'm guessing they're talking about the warlords getting together. Or maybe just thinking about going back to Sabaody. She have a fever?
おー豆ばあさん。ここはもう
Granny Bean.
新聞好きなんだな。カームベルトにはニュースクーが我が国の皇帝が七部会である以
Is
上。
that Blackbeard?
Yeah, it sure looked like his teeth.
どれか？ヘビ姫じゃ。
Oh, he didn't know this whole time. What?
海賊なのに分からなかったのか？分からなかった。
He's so oblivious.
らんよか。あ、なんだらん。
Talking with food in his mouth.
この国の皇帝並びにクジャ海賊団の船長となったのは
11 years ago.
一度の遠征でその首に8000万の懸賞金をかけられた。
Wow.
もともと轟いておったクジャの悪名と相まって、中枢の者たちは即座に七部会への加盟を進めてきたのじゃ。
Oh, they're getting ahead of a problem.
Right.
七部会と海軍本部が白ひげ海賊団と戦う。ちょっと待てよ。いろいろ。
This is a lot.
It is a lot.
白ひげは仲間の死を決して許さぬ男。それを知ってなお白ひげの優秀な部下ポートガス D エースの公開処刑を発表した。
We have to save Ace.
誰？エース。危険のエースじゃ。
Oh my gosh.
エースが処刑。
Oh, this is his first time hearing about it?
Yeah.
Oh my
で
gosh.
も黒ひげという海賊が危険のエースを討ち取ることで新たに必要
Oh,
入ったと。
of course.
エースという海賊の身柄を大きく利用し、今回の
Granny.
お兄ちゃんなんだよ。
Oh.
エースは俺の兄ちゃんなんだよ。
Dang.
Oh my gosh.
捕まってたなんて知らなかった。処刑ってなんだよ。公開処刑ってどこでやるんだ。ああ、海軍本部を有する町マリンフォードの広場。1週間後とあるので今日から実質6日後か。ここからシャボンディ諸島まで何日かかるんだ。まあ1週間以上はかかると思った方がいい。
Panic.
ここからエースのいるとこまでは幽閉中のインペルダウンエジャと海賊船なら1週間
Oh
海
no.
軍船なら4日世界政府専用の海流があってにょ。エニエスロビーインペルダウン海軍本部変形した巨大な渦潮がこの3
What?
つ
What? The triangle, sister.
の持たれる巨大な門を開閉
Oh, it like shoots you around. Oh my
What the heck?
gosh.
門が開かなければただ渦に乗り続け
What? Sorry, this is so cool.
This is crazy.
どうしたいのじゃ。まさ
Oh,
か
I hate that.
別名を命の神と言ってな。
Paper of life.
エースにはエースの冒険がある。
No. He's your brother.
そいつを持ってろずっとだ
なんだ。
I love Ace.
いら、
出来の悪い男
Why am I crying?
俺が助けたいなんてエースに怒られるだけだ。
No.
でも
He's your brother.
Oh well.
Yeah.
俺ちょっと寄り道してくよ。
Yes.
Yeah, okay. Oh my gosh.
Oh
He's going on a solo mission.
my goodness. We are so cute.
They'll understand.
They will.
生きて。いかなる規模のものか分かって言うのじゃな。
We already took down Annie's lobby.
Yes.
ただ弾かれて終わりという結果もある。
And all of
どうなるかは
CP9.
関係ねえ。これをどっかで黙ってやり過ごすことなんて俺にはできねえ。今世界一重要な囚人を助ける。
Wow.
Gosh.
What a label.
幽閉されておる大監獄へ行くべきじゃな。
Oh, I don't like seeing that.
されれば海軍大将と七部会がそのガードを固めてしまう。
Oh
Holy
my
heck.
gosh.
エースがそこにいるうちにつかねえと。でっけえオールがあれば俺力。
Oh.
今日まで堅くなに断り続けておる七部会の強制召集、これに応じてくれれば、それに
Yeah.
乗じてお主を軍艦に乗せる。
No way.
海軍の船があんのか。じゃあ俺
Yes.
あの女に
Yes.
ニャンバー
どうしたエニシダ。
様、ヘビ姫様が原因不明の病で。
倒れた。
Okay, this is the worst possible timing.
Literally, it's so bad. I think it's just anxiety. She's just having a panic attack. Please.
Oh no, she looks feverish.
She does look feverish.
わらわは
You're not dying. Don't say that.
死ぬのか。
No. Nope. Nope.
What?
Nope.
All right. The crew and Luffy really need to take up the habit of reading the newspaper.
This is gonna be a way to get the Snake Princess to go.
Yeah, are we gonna like deceive the world government right now? Like sneak Luffy in
Yes.
on a warlord ship? That's wild.
This is gonna be so good. But I am worried for her. You're exactly right. This is the worst possible timing to come down with some
Yeah.
random sickness.
What's happening?
Remember how the ladies were like, men carry a virus or whatever? I wonder if they're gonna blame it on that.
Ah,
They
yeah.
got the men virus, whatever it is. I can't believe that, like, we've known what's been going on with Ace. Like, sometimes I forget that we find things out sooner than our crew does. But now that he knows that he's like captured by the world government and is gonna be executed, it's like, oh, this is a lot more serious. Because if anybody had Luffy's Fever card, it would be doing that all the time, I feel like. It would be like dwindling all the time and then grow again. Like, because he's always so hurt.
I just want to know what is going to happen.
I know.
Like hacking this news that's going around. Everybody comes to the same conclusion that it's going to result in a war,
a massive war.
in a battle.
Yeah.
And like, I genuinely don't understand why the world government would be doing this unless they think they can win.
Yeah.
So like, that's worrisome. But then I'm also wondering, like, they keep saying that they're just going to be fighting Whitebeard, and the fact that like all the powers, like the power balance is in jeopardy. Does that mean that the other emperors, like Shanks and whoever, will not join in, or will they?
I don't know. I feel like Shanks will be joining in because he cares about Ace, and he also like had that meeting with Whitebeard.
I wonder if there's little, like, I don't know the right term that I'm thinking of, just like infighting within like the emperors, because I don't really know their role other than they're just like chilling in the new world. So like, is there a reason that they would want other emperors to be gone type? You know what I mean? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah. The enemy of my enemy is my friend. And so I feel like the emperors would be like, if it's coming down to them fighting like the admirals and the warlords, like the government, that it would be like, all right, like we can't let this happen. Otherwise it might be the end of the pirate era.
Right.
Is what it feels like.
So, but we're taking a detour and going on a solo quest
Yes.
with Luffy to impel down,
Yeah.
to break Ace out of the maximum security prison.
Max. And then like the whole triangle thing.
Yes.
I was like, hello?
That's how they get around so fast to those 3 spots.
Yeah, just a giant whirlpool basically.
They just like ride the outskirts super fast. That's amazing.
Crazy. I don't know. I'm like freaking out. Like I'm excited for what's to happen, but at the same time, I'm super nervous for what's to happen. Oh my gosh. Yeah, she's super sick.
胸をずっと押さえているから心臓に異常があるのかと。見たこともない症状。どんな薬を処方していいのか。
What? She knows what's
Is there
happening.
like an empress curse?
早くみんなに会いてえな。朝。まさか。もう。
Wait.
そうか。
What is happening?
What is going on?
なんということ。なんとも場をわきまえぬウイルスめ。
Literally a virus?
何か心当たりでも？
Is she pregnant? No.
Stop. What?
Wait.
バカな冗談は。
Hello?
Stop, Granny.
先代皇帝も
What?
の病で死んだ。実はわしも同じ病にかかり国を飛び出し。
Is it an empress thing if a man comes aboard?
わしと共にモンキー・ディ・ルフィが来ておる。ちょっとニョンバ頼み事があるようぞ。何を考えて。
立った。構わぬ。
She's in love.
Is she lovesick? Yeah. Is she lovesick? Haley.
今日
No.
Yes.
動かしてしまうんよか。
Wow.
頼みがあんだよ。お前
Uh-oh.
いいのか？白ひげんとこのエースって海賊は俺の兄ちゃんなんだ。エースを助けたい。海軍の迎えの船に乗って俺をエースのいる監獄へ送ってくんねえか。
何を身勝手なことを。あの忌まわしき土地へ行けというの。情けをかければつけやがって。これだから。
Maybe she can get back at him.
Yeah.
七部会の召集に応じろというのね。
姉様。
He's like, what's so wrong with them?
それを望む。
She's like under his control.
Haley.
Carissa.
She's literally lovesick.
行きます。
That's literally love in her eyes.
これで処刑日前に間に合うぞ。
No way.
This is the best thing ever.
姫の病は
Yes.
先代たちの死因は恋。
Wow. Burnt by love?
That's why there's no men allowed.
Oh my god.
血の海にはこんなことわざがあるという。恋はいつでも
East Blue.
Love is always a hurricane. Oh no.
Oh.
This is so cute.
ルフィの頼みに逆らえる気がせぬ。
Oh my gosh.
He cast a spell on you.
それが恋。
Oh no.
思うても会えぬ苦しみはやがてそのものを衰弱させ。
Yeah. Heartbreak. Heartbreak
Dude.
is deadly.
I cannot believe this.
皇帝であるがゆえにその思いを押し殺して島に残るしかなく。
Oh man. So that's why she left, I'm guessing.
She left for love.
Yeah. Yep.
Did she go to the East Blue?
Oh my gosh.
中枢へ行き七部会の称号を守ってくれればこの国を守る結果にもなりモンキー・ディ・ルフィの手助けにも死のもとに生まれてきたのか。通常海賊が大監獄へ行きたいと願っている。
I'm like panicking.
わらわじゃ。
ボア・ハンコックか。
I'm in.
ただし一つだけ条件がある。
聞かせてもらおうか。その条件とやら。
We need their ship.
行き先が変わったらしいわよ。ヘビ姫様と一緒に。
Yeah.
仲間たちを連れてまた来るよ。
仲間。
ああ、そん時は3時。
Oh no. I don't want him around them.
骸骨の音楽家もいるんだ。
骸骨？
ブルックっつんだけど、女を見ると絶対パンツ。それにチョッパーっていうトナカイや。
Oh my gosh.
ああ、いいのかな。
Luffy is the best captain in the whole world.
ヘビ姫様もルフィは特別扱いの巻みたいだ。
Yeah, because she's in love.
誰じゃ一体わらわの通り道。
Oh, oh no, she did. Okay, dang it. I thought love would change her.
セクシャルないたずらがとどまり。
Not to Luffy.
She's glowing.
ヘビ女、一刻も早く生きてんだ。
いかん。あの目を見。
Oh,
Oh my gosh, she has it bad.
yeah. I mean, how could you not? He's such a good guy, you know? You can call me.
ああ、わかった。ハンモック。
Hammock? No.
今の輝き、なんか。
恋する音楽。
Aww.
日本ばあ様、顔がすごく気色悪いわよ。
な
私たち楽しみにしてるのマキよ。
Just makes lifelong friends everywhere.
Everywhere.
死んじまったらどうしようかと思ったよ。ガムガムだ、腹げ。
仲間に会えるといいね。ルフィが中枢の海軍船に無事に乗れるの
3億ベリーの賞金首、しかもシャボンディ諸島で大事件を引き起こしたモンキー・ディ・ルフィは
He can do anything.
海軍にとって目の敵じゃから
Yeah, that's not even mentioning the other stuff.
Yeah.
案ずることはにゃい。わしがヘビ姫に秘策を授けておいたからに。
I just love how in love she is. It's so funny.
大韓国インペルダウンへ立ち寄りたいという話なら今回は特例。時間もない。長いはできんぞ。
じゃあ姉様、どうか無事で。
必ず
She has to go by herself, not her whole crew.
ルフィも元
I don't know why that's surprising.
Is he? Where is he?
Is he in the snake?
にもかかわらずよく決断してくれた。
Oh, she hasn't eaten.
海賊女帝と恐れられていても
Luffy hasn't
や
eaten.
はり人の
Oh, he just ate so much. Crazy.
のような無作法は
では今のは
わらわじゃ。
ルフィ、悪い。宴の時、女たちに追いかけ回され
Or is he hanging in her cloak?
歩きにくいのでもう少し上へ。こうか。
Uh-oh. Oh!
顔が赤いが
なんでもない。
このような無様な姿を晒したまま海軍本部には戻れまい。
Luffy.
Oh my gosh.
He doesn't know how to like not cause chaos.
悪い。おめえの髪の毛。
なんとかごまかせたよ。
They're so cute. I actually love this.
数時間前に会った時と少し様子が違うように思えてならんのだ。
誓って身も心も潔白じゃ。そなた自身の手でこの体を隅々まで調べたらどうじゃ。
Oh, she's using her manipulation tactics.
何言ってたお前。やばいって。
Quiet, Luffy. Death stare.
That's too risky for him.
Exactly.
いや、そこまで言うなら信じるしかない。
It's too tempting.
クルーを頼む。
Because then she could take him out. I love that. Blowing a kiss.
海賊女帝ボア・ハンコック、ついに折れたようで
七部会は6人。
6 of the
Who's
7.
missing?
赤の目2ホーク。
Probably Moria, because he's. Oh, wait, what? He is gonna be
マ
here?
ーシャル D.T.
No.
監獄へ行ったあいつはどうだ。そろそろ頭は冷えたか。
戦いに断固反対のようで七部会の称号剥奪も覚悟の上だと。
Wow.
ジンベエ。
Jinbei.
Oh, he's been mentioned before.
ガープ中将なら先ほどインペルダウンへ向かわれましたが、一大事であります。白ひげに動きが。モビーディック号の動きを監視していた
Moby Dick.
23隻。
Wait.
つい先ほど一斉に
All of them.
会えました。
23 ships, all just a few minutes ago.
Dude.
他の海賊団の不穏な動きもあったようですが、これでは奴らがどれほどの規模。
Wait, this is so crazy.
Y'all asked for this.
やられた。もう動き出していたのか。
Oh my gosh. Oh.
Yeah, no, that's gonna be.
おお、無残な姿に息はあるのか。
Dang.
No!
Oh my gosh.
No, I don't. I just want to immediately go to the next one. Ace. Oh my gosh. I didn't like seeing him like that.
Yeah, he's in bad form. Bad shape. So we're all gonna be going to Impel Down now. I just assumed that this war would like start and take place like at the execution.
Yeah.
Yeah, but we're trying to like prevent that completely. And then the other warlord that we haven't met yet is in prison.
Yeah, because he was freaking out.
And he's about to have his title revoked. I know that like it was literally back like Arlong mentioned this guy.
Yeah. It kind of sounds, from me, in my perspective, I'm like, okay, like, is he freaking out and like wants his title revoked because he's so scared, like he does not want to go up against the emperors, like he doesn't want to go up against Whitebeard? That's kind of what I'm thinking.
Or I wonder if he just has more respect for the like pirate code.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And the fact that like how all of this is even happening.
Yeah.
Because of Blackbeard, who they rewarded with the title of warlord. Like I wonder if that's upsetting this guy.
Marshall D. Teach. Ooh, it's such a creepy name now that we've like seen what he can do. So he's gonna be here like as a warlord.
Dude.
I'm kind of freaking out. But it sounds like all the warlords are meeting at HQ, and we're like the only one that's going to Impel Down.
Yeah.
So that's good at least.
But like Whitebeard's coming here, we're gonna have a bunch of Navy guards.
Yeah.
Garp is here.
I'm just panicking. So we're gonna have to last a couple days, us as in Luffy, on this ship without being seen. And also with this warlord madly in love with you. And she's trying her hardest not to show it. She will do anything he says.
That is so funny.
If he's gonna be like, I'm hungry, she'll be like, don't worry, I'll go get you something. Like, it's gonna be, I feel like it's gonna be so fun.
How the turntables.
Yup.
Crazy that like the Navy was caught off guard already.
Yeah.
This is insane. Like this build up to this event where this war, this is insane.
I like want to scream.
It's gonna be a ton of fun, I feel like.
Oh my gosh.
Well, I mean fun, but like also probably really stressful.
Yes, oh for sure.
I also am wondering why Blackbeard, we never have really talked about this. Like why he wants to be a warlord. It seems like they all just, like they have something that they're doing that they don't want the government to be, like they want the government to look away from.
Yeah.
Right?
So like what's Blackbeard's thing?
Yeah. Why did he want to be a warlord so bad? Like he's obviously trying to get around the law for some reason. I'm just curious.
That scares me. I don't know. I feel like he's, ew, I don't know. I feel like it's something bad. Obviously. But
I'm just worried because we've already seen him come up with these long plans.
Yes.
That he has already executed.
Long-term goals. Like he is thinking far ahead. Yeah.
This is going to get crazy.
Yeah. I'm so excited.